We talk a lot about our work, but let's talk for a minute about how we think about our work, or more to the point, how we might think about our work a little bit differently. We start with four people that have totally different jobs in the same company. They think of their work as being very different. They each have their own job description, and when they think of their work, like most of us, they think about it as having a unique shape and color and character. But when we look closely, we can see that the work is actually made up of a bunch of smaller shapes or subroutines, a collection of discrete things that happen in a day. When we strip out all the stuff that fills in the gap between those things, we see that most of each person's work looks very similar. In fact, if we focus on the outlines, we get a very different perspective. We can arrange them differently and group them differently, not by job function, but by the shape of the work itself. Now, although we've moved things around, it's important to realize that we still have the original work that everybody was doing. We just described it differently and reorganized a little, but it's still there. Our central system embraces this concept with a set of core applications for the major common patterns that constitute most of our work, regardless of the specific job. So what are these? The first is cases, which covers any task, project, or to-do list. Second is entities, which handles lists of things, whether they are physical items or conceptual things like metadata. Quest is for surveys, inspections, and checklists. Departments keeps track of associations between people, roles, and entities. It's a little abstract, but these associations are an important part of the fabric of business. Standards is system that handles process documentation, instructions, how-tos, and facts contains reporting, business intelligence, data visualization, and other things that help us make better decisions these days. This system, when working together, can dramatically improve our day-to-day work experience, regardless of the job, department, or industry. This is the beginning of rethinking the shape of work.